Once a month, for the duration of a day to a week, I get in a mood that is undescribable. There's no reason for it. People could ask me like, why are you being so crabby? And I couldn't tell you why. I look at the world and I hate it. I hate everything around me. I hate the people in it, but it's not my fault. It's because of a little thing called male PMS. Male PMS, that doesn't happen. We're guys. Our penises make it so we can't PMS. No. No. We go through our own form of PMS, which we can call IMS, irritable male syndrome, where you just look at everything and you're cynical. Everything tastes good as long as there's at least 50 grams of sugar in it, but after you eat it, you're not happy. You're not happy that you just ate that huge tube of Ben & Jerry's. You're not happy that there's a Full House marathon on ABC Family, which most people would be pretty tickled by that. This happened to me a few days ago. I was going through my own little form of menstruation. For some reason, I woke up, I looked around, I was like, I need coffee, I need some sort of caffeine, I need an energy drink, I need someone to punch me in the face, I need something. And what happened was, I started walking around, I got some caffeine in me. About 20 minutes later, I looked around and I go, why is anything the way that it is? Why is that guitar there? Why are the people in my life so stupid and ugly? Why does hair grow on my face after I've shaved it the day before? And this got me thinking. After I stuffed myself with man-pons, I looked into the mirror and I said, Mikey, you need to do it. You need to walk outside and not be cynical. So I go off to school. It gets worse. As I'm going to school, I hate the things around me. I hate joggers. I hate the Starbucks that's over on the corner there. It's like, it's so hard to get to. Where do I park? I hate the lady next to me dancing to what appears to be Call Me Maybe, but I won't just say that it's Call Me Maybe because it could be anything. Tell me Call Me Maybe's not a fun song to sing and dance to in the car. I'd call you a liar. Point of the matter. I get to school, I hate everything. And I'm sitting there looking around wondering, why the hell am I here? The girl next to me looks like she smells like crayons. I could be watching The Price is Right now. It's for no reason at all. You could ask me when I'm going through that, Mikey, what's up, dude? I'm here for you. And I would look at you and just want to just backhand you and watch you fall and laugh. I wouldn't help you up. At least when girls are on their periods, it's valid why they're angry. It's understandable. But when a guy's PMSing, excuse me, IMSing, it's totally invalid. There's no reason for it. So in order to make the fallopian dudes in my body happy in any way, shape, or form, I had to put this vlog out and explain to you and the world that we go through it too. And if you're one of those dudes who goes, Mikey, I never PMS before, I'm a dude, I got a penis, and I'm a man, I don't do that shit. Bro, it's because you PMS 24/7. You've never stopped. You're a douche. So anyways, guys, that was my take on guys PMSing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a quick thumbs up for me. Really appreciate it. New vlogs every Tuesday on this channel. If you do want to hit me up on Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, the links are in the description below. It's a great day. I'm not PMSing, IMSing, any S-ing anymore, so I want you guys to know I'm happy. I'm happy you're in my life. I love you. I hope you love me back. If you don't, give me some time. I'll try to get this going, okay? You and me. You and me. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next Tuesday.